Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose More Connections and tap on Printing. Following that, select Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one thanks to this blue sweater. Then go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you, like HP1. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Then just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!